Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sir محمد ادریس چوہدری, and I have been teaching at KIPS Academy since long, almost for 10 years. And I have met with many teachers of different localities, but I found Professor محمد of Urdu teacher. Now he is a fabulous and stupendous teacher at Urdu language. Now he is so skillful and expert teacher that he teaches in a novel and a unique way. He clears all the reservations, all the concepts of his students in a perfect and appropriate manner, and his teaching methodology is quite fabulous. And the students, they have been producing the exemplary, unmatched and unprecedented results so far. So if I'm going to sum up his personality, he's the best teacher. He has all the qualities which a teacher should have in his life. So I give him all my applauses, appreciations to him. I have never seen such a nice and such a outstanding teacher. I give him my applauses as well. Thank you so much.